Hello and welcome to day number 125 of our Travel Trader series. Today we were trading in the markets again, and as I told you, I'm developing a new trading strategy that I'm currently trying in this account with real money, of course. So I'll test all my strategies in a small account with real money so that I would trade it exactly the same as when the account would be bigger. And we obviously will need some adjustments. So I did two trades in the bond future today. The first one was actually going in our direction, so we went into the profit of around €600. However, before I could adjust the stop loss, the market turns against us, and we got stopped out then with negative €2,046 and 60 cents. However, with the second signal, this is one of the lessons that I will repeat over and over again, because what sometimes people struggle is with when you enter a trade and you do something and then you trade some asset and that trade goes against you. Afterwards, people don't like that asset, so they stayed away from it. So when I got the next signal again in the bond future, very same day, I went in again, and this time we went positive up until nearly €1,200, and then we came down again, got stopped out with a profit of €284.50. So with a little bit more adjustment, we would have had two winning trades. So we already, like last week, we had our first 2 or 3 initial trades. I'm gonna look that up, but I think we did 3 trades, and we were making around 1,000 or €1,030 each time. So very, very rewarding. And this time we have one losing trade with negative 2,000 and another winning trade, €284.50. Although it should have been at least 2 trades where we don't lose money. So we need a little adjustment here and narrow things down. But as soon as we have these things right, I'm still convinced we will have a very, very good trading strategy that will make us a lot of money throughout the rest of the year. I also did some index trading parallel doing this, so basically trading in 2 windows. And I did one DAX trade where we made €115, so that was a little bit, let's say, sad, as we should have made much more. However, we only did that one, and in total we lost around €1,600 today. And we're looking forward to make that back again tomorrow. We also have some trades open. First one is corn. We are still in the negative with €690. Anyway, if you have looked into my market outlook that I published yesterday, or depending on in my students group, I always publish these things a little bit earlier than to the general public. So I think it came out yesterday for general public. So if you had a look at it, you see that I think that corn will go up. We already position ourselves in that position. So we're currently down €690, but I'm still convinced we'll make a lot of money with it until the month is over. The next one is silver, still down, currently at minus $70. So we are nearly break even, just a little bit negative. We have a trade in Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, which was in a positive and then turned negative. So depending on how the trading tonight goes between Australia and New Zealand, we might have to close it. We're currently down 702 New Zealand dollars. We got a new trade in copper, which is also down at minus €572. We have an open trade in zinc with minus $135, and we have a trade in cotton, also negative, so all negative for today, with minus €80.50. So these are all unrealized losses yet, so we have some trades that are still developing. Our unrealized losses would be minus 1,897. That's totally okay given our account size. So we had an account where we started with 20,000. We traded it up to over 70,000, and now we are waiting for our trades to unfold. And tomorrow we will look forward to apply the same strategies again and make some more money and ramp our account up. so that we have a very nice account size at the end of the month. So apart from the market outlook, I will also have a webinar coming up very soon on May the 20th. I will send out the details very soon for you that are subscribed to my email list. Otherwise, you will find it both here on the Travel Trader videos as well as on my personal and company Facebook profile, Instagram, and all these kind of things. And we will talk about the Euro crisis 2.0 or 2.0. And we will have a look into what might happen when the debt crisis comes back to life again, what impact that will have, and how we can first of all spot it in advance and then make some money out of it as well. I will tell you how or what I look at. Some of these things are actually pretty ridiculous at the moment. But since these crises take some time to unfold, we are quite safe, and we talk about it on the 20th of May, and then we can see where the markets are going, make some money out of it, and either if you are living in the euro area, we can keep our net worth stable rather than losing money with the euro declining against other assets, or we can even make some money out of looking forward in the markets. When the markets turn and the euro devalues and different markets are going down, we will figure out a way how to make a lot of money out of it. So that will be our webinar topic on the 20th. There will be some trading for charity again on the 19th of May, and I will have another webinar for my students coming up. First of all, right now in 10 minutes, we will look at the markets and how to benefit over the coming week, and another one on Wednesday. And on Wednesday, we will talk about a little more relaxed way to trade, so longer term weekly trades, and how we can make a lot of money out of these as well. So thank you very much for watching. I wish you a great evening, and either see you again tomorrow or in a bit. And tomorrow I will give you another update on how we traded the markets. And thank you very much. Have a great evening, and goodbye.